You know what? I'm gonna put like a viewer discretion in the beginning, which is like, you know, patience and a tolerance for weirdness is required. Hey everyone, and welcome to my first unprepared and unscripted cooking show. What? Applause. Anyways, my name is Sheba. I am a trainer by trade, but lover of life by passion. What? Oh my god. Anyways, I do love to cook, and it often happens that people ask me about how I cook what I cook, and generally I cook by eye, I guess, or flavor. So today I'm making my rendition of a caramelized Vietnamese salmon, and I'm gonna be making it on a bed of basmati rice with a side of broccoli. To be honest, I wanted to make wild rice with Chinese broccoli, but I couldn't find both of those things at the grocery store. So we is gonna make whatever we have for now. To get started, what you're gonna need is salmon, soy sauce, fish oil, ginger, garlic, broccoli, or you can get Chinese broccoli, basmati rice, jasmine rice, wild rice, or quinoa, whatever it is you want to use. Anything that I didn't mention, I will list it in the link down below. For anyone who doesn't want to stand around here or sit around and watch me talk to the camera, you can go straight to the link down below and it will take you to the exact recipe that I will figure out in this cooking process and post it for your cooking convenience. This is my first time doing this, you guys, so please bear with me. Be kind. I know the internet is a very dark, rude place, but it's okay. I'm prepared, okay? I think I'm prepared for this. It's just good old me with my weirdness for you guys. The first thing we're gonna do is prepare the side ingredients because they actually take a little bit longer than the main course thing, which is the salmon. And I'm going to first put this on the stove. You guys get to watch me do this. Oh my god, here I go. What is that? You know, I hate that when they have like that pull here thing, and then when you pull it, nothing happens. I'm making 2 servings. If you don't want to make 2, or you want to make 4, or you want to make like 1, you just kind of either half it or double it, okay? We got 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. Am I the only person who rinses their rice before they cook it? I don't know. I think it's like an Indian thing. My mom taught me to do that. We're going to bring this to boil and then simmer it for about 10-15 minutes. Number 2, I want to steam my broccoli. If you want to grill it or whatever, you can do that. But I is going to steam it because I like it steamed. I also find like it tastes better. Like it tastes more like broccoli. I have washed it. I just used 1 flower of broccoli. I actually have a steaming apparatus. So what that means is I have 1 pan with holes on the bottom, and then I have 1 pan without holes on the bottom, and then you insert this on top and you put the broccoli in here, and we leave it in there for like 15 minutes or so. I was like, why do I have this on the stove? It's for the sauce, stupid. Okay, so in order to make the salmon sauce, is it weird if I teach you a Vietnamese recipe in Indian accent? No? Okay. We is gonna need garlic, ginger, fish sauce, soy sauce, brown sugar, and lime. What? That's a lot of stuff, I know. Oh, and sesame oil. No one makes that sound anymore, right? Just me? Okay. Let's make the sauce for the salmon. The salmon has been cut. I have removed the skin. If you don't want to do that, you can cook it with the skin. That's totally fine. I just like it when it's cubed and stuff. And I like it kind of like crispy and caramelized on all sides. So the first thing we're going to add is grated ginger. Then we are going to press 1 big ass garlic clove. There we go. You know people who talk whose voice like gets louder at the end of the sentence? Okay guys, we're gonna do this now. You're like, are you just asking me a lot of questions or are you talking to me? I don't even know. I mean, we're gonna add soy sauce. We're gonna add a little bit of fish oil. I'm not a big fan of it, which is why I also like adding the lime, because it adds a bit of that tanginess. So I'm gonna squeeze half the entire lime in there. Now is the best part. We add the sugar. Ha 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 ha. Okay, 2 tablespoons brown sugar. I bet my neighbors are like, why is this girl yelling so much? I'm sorry, neighbors. Sugar just makes me so excited. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, now let's add the salmon to this mixture. Ta-da! And then let's mix it all together. Oh, sorry. Damn. That's garbage. That's garbage. Okay, so now we've put the pan on low-medium heat. You don't want it too high because otherwise the salmon will burn. You actually want it to get kind of like crispy and tasty. And we don't need to add any oil because we added the sesame oil to this mixture already. And we're actually going to cover it and let it also cook and steam a little bit. So just don't do too much, okay? I'm just gonna cut up the spring onion and I'm going to rinse that, okay? Yeah! You guys, it's almost ready. I'm so excited. That's not a knife. That's a knife. Okay, so I didn't cut the whole thing. There's still this much left. We're just like really cutting this for the decoration and the seasoning. Poor spring onions, man. Green onions, spring onions. Do they really have a purpose? Isn't it just decoration? That's like me in this world. Welcome to my show. Welcome to my show. Welcome to my show. It's funny, people ask me, why do Indians do this shit? And I'm like, I really don't know. Must be the magnetic fields. Just like... Oh, you are so funny. Nice! Oh my god! GoPro recording! You're so fancy! You're such a big shot YouTuber with your GoPro and a big camera. Oh my god! Ding 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 ding. Fun. Ah! Don't forget your apron. Let's turn the salmon. At the end, just take it off the heat and you are literally just cooking it for about 4 minutes aside. If I said 5, forget about it. It's 4 minutes aside on really low heat, otherwise it will burn and lose all of its delicious goodness. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Also, please don't forget, the link is down below in case you just wanted the quick recipe and you just don't want to come back to this video again. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with everybody you know and be like, check out this weird girl make this weird recipe that she says is Vietnamese salmon. What is up with that? But I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. It is a very quick and easy and delicious recipe. I will see you guys again. There will be more random, weird, unplanned, unscripted recipes coming to you guys very soon from my weird life. That's it. I think that's it. I should just stop. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to think strong always, and I will see you again very soon. Bye. Jasmine, check out this weird girl. And just finish her up. You know what I mean?